earn today, and my phone. So hey guys, if you ever want to earn any extra money, just do some Uber Eats, innit? Like, alright, man's now ready. About to touch road, man. Come on, a little vlog. So that's what I'm gonna start doing now. Boost gang, I'm gonna start vlogging. If you can see, the quality of the camera has upgraded. You get me? I've upgraded things now. Yeah, man. Through the quality, mad, looking clear. You get it? Even though it didn't really need upgrading, innit? But I like to upgrade it, innit? So I don't even know what I'm gonna do now. I'm probably gonna go do some deliveries and stuff. Get the paper. And yeah, keep tuned, innit? Okay. Let's see, about to have a neck. Oh, I didn't even know the words. Ignore that. Alright, so I'm probably gonna go and do some deliveries. I'm about to put my shoes on and stuff. I'll show you a bit of the fit. You get me? Just don't put on, I don't know what craps to wear though. I don't know if I should. That's on the Forces, Jordans. All the all black Jordans will look nice with this. Definitely the all black ones. I'll show you lot which ones I'm chatting about. Let me turn this music off before I get copyright. I was thinking about these ones right here. Yeah, these will be hard. Yeah, come in a better light than my ones when. These are gonna be hard to wear with the fit. So yeah, let's just whack these on. I decided to rock out these clown Jordans. I never wear these ones because they just look so big. But you know what? They look cold with the fit though, that's the thing. Let me sit in this mirror. Yeah. They look. But they just look like bowling shoes, Jordan 11s. I don't know what you guys think of them. You might look, it's got a little snake type skin thing on it. I literally rarely wear it. I rarely wear my Jordans. And I have quite a few of them. So yeah. Damn, it's zoomed up on my face. Let me zoom you out. Don't know. That's more like. Alright, I'm in the Fiesta now. There's the VXR. I'm driving the Fiesta. I'm gonna do some shifts. So yeah, keep tuned in it. Yeah, I just got an order now. On my way to the order, and it's back that way. What luck! So you know what I'm gonna do? Just go in there and like, you get me? Like a back road thing, innit? And then I don't even know where I'm going, but I'm guessing this is gonna take me to the next road to then come out as I saw a car going past there. And yeah, see you lot when I get to the restaurant, innit? Just done the order. You get me? About to do some more. Got the boost going on over there. So trying to make the most money I can. £2.50 extra. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. Let's get it. Let's go. The money's on the plate. Let's go and collect some. Oh, that was terrible. Alright, I'm on my way to town now because there's £3 extra in town. I ended up in an area where there's not really a boost, so if I get any deliveries on the way to the boost area, I'm not going to accept it until I'm in the boost area. So there's a £3 boost on top of what you get, and that's where I'm off to now. Sorry if this is a boring ass vlog of me doing it Uber Eats. Alright, as you can see, I'm in the boost area right now. You can see my phone on the map. We're in the boost area. So yeah, I'm just strolling around Bristol. Get some orders in and that. Innit? Yeah. Alright guys, I ran into a problem. I earned good money tonight, but my phone's on 10% battery. And when I plug the charger in, can you plug in the charger for me? Because I'm holding the camera. Look what comes up on the phone. Because it's been raining, I've been working in the rain. It says that. So my phone won't charge, so I'm gonna have to stop for tonight. But I think I probably made, I'll probably say at least like £90. Where did that camera thing go? Do you see what I mean? Alright guys, this is how much I've earned so far right there. This trip's just come in. That's how much I've earned today. And my phone is on 7% battery, soon gonna die, so that's gonna be the last one I can do, unfortunately. And as you can see, yeah, that's how much I earned today. Because it was raining, there's a big boost, and there's still a boost. There's still a boost, and it's this time at night. So it's a good thing you can do. I might switch to my girlfriend's phone now, because this phone's gonna run out of battery. So hey guys, if you ever want to earn any extra money, just do some Uber Eats, innit? Like, as I said, quick £100 in like, what time did I start? Start today? I started at like 6 something, 7 o'clock. I started at 6 something, and now it's 10:47. I've made £100. Come on, man. Yo, pre the view from up here. Mad setting going over at Miss Millie's. But yeah, mad view. Alright, right now I'm doing the Uber, innit? The phone started charging finally. But yeah, feds pulled me over. I wasn't doing nothing. I wasn't speeding, I wasn't doing anything. It's because I went to go in the petrol station, and the petrol station was locked, so I couldn't go in there because there's cones. So I was in like second gear ready to go in there. And then I pulled in here, and then I pulled into here where I am now, because I'm trying to find another petrol station to go to. So they probably think, oh, this is a bit booky, and they follow me and then put the lights on and stuff, and obviously checked over everything and see that I ain't got no points on my license, I ain't got no criminal record, I ain't got nothing, I ain't a bad kid innit, I ain't got none of that. But we move in it, you get me? But the way man tried to come check the car, like the car stolen. Yeah, because he's free. Right, I'm not at the petrol station, and I thought they was open, and they're closed. So now I'm looking for another petrol station, because look, the petrol is literally, and the lights on. I'm trying to find petrol.